In the eastern region of China, where many renowned original equipment manufacturers are concentrated and boast extensive experience, Cabinet Master has officially laid the foundation for its key products. These include essential machine lines such as CNC, drilling, and edge banding machines. It can be said that these are crucial machines used in the processing and manufacturing of furniture from plywood and industrial wood. With 20 years of collaboration and development, Cabinet Master has become the sole entity in the segment that supplies traditional products and equipment to Vietnam. As a wood processing machine provider for many years, we understand that, alongside demands for product quality, cost is a crucial factor that many businesses are concerned about. It can be said that this is the most significant barrier between investors and suppliers. Therefore, the direct connection between the supplier and the original equipment manufacturer helps Cabinet Master reduce costs, bringing to the market machine lines with the lowest prices, while still ensuring genuine components and product quality. In addition to meeting the diverse needs of various wood processing machines, versatility in production and automation is always what Cabinet Master strives for, with the goal of bringing the most modern, optimal, and efficient processes. With a scale of over 10,000 square meters, the factory is divided into 3 main areas, including 1 finishing area and 2 areas dedicated to research and production. Every year, Cabinet Master introduces more than 500 product lines to the market, including wood processing machines, addressing 100% of the processing and manufacturing needs of customers both domestically and internationally. We actively participate in the research, design, and production processes, delving into component selection and integrating software for machinery, ensuring the most efficient and rapid technology transfer to our customers. Choosing Cabinet Master means entering a treasure trove of machinery, a repository for processing furniture ranging from classic to modern, from affordable products to advanced technology. It is a place that provides numerous manufacturing solutions, catering to the majority of customer needs. For over 2 decades, Cabinet Master has remained committed to the source of wood machines, importing directly from manufacturers. Genuine products, swift delivery, cost-effectiveness, and durable operation are factors that empower investors and furniture manufacturers to boost production and serve the woodworking industry more extensively. Cabinet Master, a strategic partner and leading furniture manufacturing solution provider in Vietnam.